Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making garlic noodles. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2½ cups of wide egg noodles, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, that's optional, 3 tablespoons of butter, 7 garlic cloves thinly sliced, and also we're going to need scallions for garnish at the end, and you want to chop them, only the green part. To a pot of boiling water, we're going to add in our egg noodles. And we're going to cook them according to the package. Now to a small bowl, we're going to add in our chicken broth, soy sauce, oyster sauce, our honey, and also our red pepper flakes. And you want to whisk everything together until it's well combined. Now to a large heated skillet, we're going to add in our butter. And you want to let that melt. I have my heat on medium. Your butter has melted, you want to add in your garlic. And we're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. And you want to make sure that your garlic is soft. Once your noodles are done cooking, we're going to transfer them straight into our butter and garlic. Now we're just going to mix them in the butter and garlic until they're well coated. Now you can add in your sauce mixture. And we're just going to go ahead and mix that. And you want everything nicely coated. Allow that to cook for a couple minutes over medium heat. You want to go ahead and make sure you stir it and all your noodles are covered in your sauce. You can turn off your heat. Okay guys, so now we're going to go ahead and put some of our scallions over top. So here we have it, our garlic noodles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?